few words for your public. All right, there you go. Where are you off to, Fabe?
Bowron?
Really?
You didn't know? Jesus. Were you asleep? Well, here we are at camp, at Bowron Campground. Just show you the whole setup now. That's basically our living room and storage area. So we have a lot of the gear in the tent. Solar panel out here. The sites are kind of tricky with the sun. So what you have is the sun coming east and going down there. So the campsite that we had booked was over there, completely shadowed by everything. So luckily enough, there's some sites that aren't reserved that we are using now. So we basically moved from our reserved site to our one that first come first serve. So that's good. And here we have Robyn's lounging reading area. Yeah, I do dabble in the hammocks once in a while, but no, they're not for me for sleeping in. And there's Grommet. All set up. Everything's good. Moving on to the kitchen. Robyn cooking. What was that?
Oh.
Anyway.
It's the woods. Get in.
So there's our kitchen. There's our power supply. Nice little clothesline. And I think I'll show them the fridge.
There you go. Go with battery X Power S.
So to keep our food cold, I brought 2 batteries for that. It seems to be doing fine with the odd time that we get to turn the generator on. So what we do is plug the generator into the trailer. We plug the generator into the trailer and then plug the battery charger into the trailer and charge the one of the batteries off that way, and then just switch them out just to keep it going. But the fridge is using very little, so I don't think we have anything to worry about. Show you why we have this. So it's chock full of meaty goodness. That's the freezer section. And there's the fridge section. Yeah. Yeah. So it's pretty slick. Show you inside the trailer. So I'm just charging up some stuff. Got some camera gear there. And everything's in a bit of disarray right now. But everything's fine. Oh, battery charged. Take that out. Oh. Yeah, so weighed my gear this morning, and it was 62 pounds, so that's everything. 62 pounds. Boat, life vest, food, everything. Now, I actually, looking at it, I could get it down to 40 pounds without the luxuries like a chair, tripod, switch out some of the stuff. Yeah, 62 pounds. Yeah, I was thinking 65, so I came under, so that's fine. Yeah, so I'm going to be leaving I want to be up at the first lake when the sun's cresting, so I'm getting up early and just going. Most people seem to start around 9 o'clock. That's a bit late. But yeah, everything's good. Just going through the gear now, as you can see. Yeah, I'm still debating on whether or not to take 2 paddles. I'm leaning towards just taking one. There's no reason I would break one, but then again, yeah, best laid plans. So yeah, that's it. I'll turn you back on when something interesting happens.
Oh, what's that?
Some kind of spice.
So let's go.
Good. Step back a bit, look. get the meat. Okay. You gotta wipe the edge. Right there. Clean as a whistle.